Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, we are in the Atlantica Bay Hotel, and we're going to invite you to come with us for breakfast. We're in the lobby area. There's fountains, there's cascading waterfalls, and the Cyprus booth is looking absolutely rosebud today.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again
and again. So stick with us. We're going to go in and get a bit of breakfast. What have you got to say, Cyprus booth?
You know what I've got to say? I really like this place here. Eventually, I found the waterfall of my dreams.
There we are. A cascading waterfall just before we go in for breakfast. So stick with us. Here we go. We're going to go and have a rather tasty breakfast and see, well, if we can find something a little bit delicious. And we invite you to come with us, and you can sample the cuisine in this luxury 4-star hotel. I'll follow the rear end as tradition goes. Yes, with sofas absolutely everywhere. The booth is going to have a bit of a snooze on that later on. Here we go. A snooze. So this is the main breakfast area. Quite a nice restaurant, to be honest. Have a look at that.
I had
Receiving.
already. Now I need a...
There we are. This is our little table that's been prepared for us. Have a look at that. Let's get the booth seated. There we are. Bon appetit, Miss watching the booth.
Thank you. Bon appetit.
So let's have a quick look and see what we have got. So that's Crescivia Booth's breakfast. What have you got, Crescivia?
I've got mushrooms, sausages, I've got tomatoes, I've got scrambled eggs, garam salata, 2 or 3, I'm afraid, sort of cheese, kind of cheese, and a poached egg. Poached egg.
Is that what it is? A poached egg?
Something like that, I'm afraid. Wow.
It is an egg.
It is an egg. With
Yes,
what?
it's an egg. Tasty. Yep. We've also got 1 or 2 croissants. We do like a croissant, a bread roll, a sausage roll, and a chocolate croissant. Obviously, I've got a couple of pieces of toast and a couple of rolls, a couple of nice coffees. I've got a latte, and Crescivia Booth has got an Americano. I've gone down the traditional route: 3 rashers of bacon, 2 Malinki sausages, some mushrooms, some scrambled egg, baked beans, and a tomato, and one of them things, a little breadstick. I like a bit of bread. Crescivia?
Very tasty.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Any good?
Excellent.
Excelente. I must say, to be honest, I am very impressed with my bacon. Very, very nicely cooked. I really, really enjoyed the little sausages. The mushrooms are absolutely lovely. And even the scrambled egg. Very, very processed, if you understand, but very, very tasty indeed. And I've got a nice piece of toast. And I've got my little special treat, which is that. And Crescivia Booth says that her egg is lovely, and she even likes her yogurt, which is not cheddar masala. Oh,
I thought it's garam salata, you know. Normally it comes with a meze, Cyprus meze. It's like together with tzatziki and
what's it called?
something
Hummus.
Hummus, yeah.
Hummus.
But this is one of them. But it's eventually it's yogurt.
Yeah. So she's decided to eat it with a scrambled egg. But it's not quite what she thought it was going to be.
I hope I'm all right at the end of the day.
Yeah. If you'd have seen her face when she puts it in her mouth, it's like, ugh. And it's very, very sweet because it's yogurt. Anyway, just over yonder, it's a very nice croissant. Those are my fingers, Mr. Ian. So, yeah, very, very nice. I do like miniature yogurts. Very nice yogurts. Put yogurt in the brain. I do like miniature croissants, and I'm going to have the chocolate one as well. So, Crescivia, shall we eat a little bit more?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's very, very tasty.
Good.
I have to say.
We'll eat a bit more, and we'll come back and show you the remains.
And I wanted to go to the omelette, but I'm not.
We don't want to get fat, do we?
No.
No. So there you can see, Crescivia Booth has had a good breakfast. Not much left.
No.
She's on her 3rd helping.
Only the garam salata, but no yogurt.
The yogurt's been left. I'm on the toast. I've now got some marmalade. Bit of bacon to go on top of it, and look what else I've discovered. It doesn't get any better than that. A couple of pancakes made freshly to order with some lovely, whoa, what's going on? What's that?
Just for fun.
That's cheese. I don't want cheese in my pancakes. Ian, get your fingers out of my food.
You can't take me anywhere.
Can't take it anywhere. Misogyny with Sylvia LaBouffe, looking very, very pink today.
Like a Miss Coco.
Like a Miss Coco. Doesn't get any better than that. In fact, it doesn't get any better than that. I'm going to eat them right now. There you go. As I was saying, those pancakes are very, very nice indeed. The Sylvia LaBouffe is now on the coffee.
Nice.
And she's on the cheese and rolls now. What about the yoghurt?
I can't eat it with a no.
Have you not seen all these croissants we've got? We're going to get fat, that's for sure.
I'm not gonna eat all, just a bit. I'm gonna bite all of them to see how they taste.
Yeah, we'll have a nibble of absolutely everything because obviously we have paid for it. Nice bit of toast, a bit of marmalade. I'm going to try that bread roll in a minute. There's my croissant, and they're my fingers, Mr. Ian. So, and we'll dip it in a bit of the caramel syrup sauce. Nice. Very nice indeed. Good? Is it good?
I can't eat anymore.
What about those?
I may bite some.
Have a bite. Go on. There you go. Think of the calories to see go with. You'll be climbing the mountain again soon. So, I'm going to finish that bit of bacon. And then I'm going to have a bit more pancakes. So we'll come back in a little bit. So, Miss Oching to see the other booth. What do you think? Is
When
it
you're
good?
hungry, it's not good. When you're stuffed, it's not good. What is good? Tell me. I don't know what is better, to be starving or to be stuffed. Something in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle is the correct way to be. So, the toast has gone, a bit too much marmalade. The Sylvia LaBouffe has eaten all of hers, but she has left out yoghurt. She's eaten the eggs. We've got a croissant or two to go. And I've eaten most of it, and I've eaten all of those because those are very, very nice indeed. I do like a pancake, especially when it's got a bit of a syrup sauce on it. So I'm going to... Very nice. And then I'm going to take it out, and we're going to go out around the pool, and we're going to show you a view that is quite simply to die for. But let's see what Sylvia LaBouffe's got to say.
It's everything so tasty. I imagine if you come to the breakfast at 7 o'clock, that's when it starts, by the way, and you see all this set it up, the lovely food, the cereal place, the coffee place, with a different sort of milk and whatever you want with it. You would want everything, but it's not possible. We have to keep our chefs. I'm afraid how.
Well, I think we've eaten most things. We've eaten pretty much everything, that's for sure. But anyway, there's the last look of our breakfast.
I just had plenty of mushrooms because I love mushrooms.
You did have a few mushrooms,
yes,
but you still didn't eat your yoghurt.
But this, I thought, this is a roast taramasalata of Cyprus, coming with a Cyprus sauce that comes with the sauces, with the mezes, normally with the fish meze. And
So,
look,
what does it taste like?
it's
Those are my fingers,
it's
Mr. Ian.
It's yogurt.
A bit too sweet for my liking, and I like sweet.
It's a strawberry yogurt, that's why it's rose colour.
So, come on, Sylvia LaBouffe.
Come on.
I'll follow your rear end, and we'll go out and take the people for a view out across the swimming pool and out across the blue Mediterranean Sea. As tradition goes, we're going to follow the rear end of watching Sylvia LaBouffe. So we're going to exit the dining area, and we'd like you to come with us. I say we're going to go and have a quick walk around and mosey on down, as I say, around the outer area to show you a great view across the blue swimming pool and, of course, out towards the blue Mediterranean Sea. And as tradition goes, by now everyone understands it, we get to follow the rear end of watching Sylvia LaBouffe. There we go. Look at that for a view. Doesn't get much better than that.
Stop eating, Mr. Paul.
Can't help it. They've got a bit of darts going on.
After the breakfast, there's nothing to do, by the way.
There's a lot of fun going on. Let's get over this bridge, Cresceva Labouf, and get a really, really good look at your rear end, because that's what it's actually all about. Here we are. Look at that for a pool. That doesn't get much better than that. Wow. Absolutely spectacular. What do you think?
I must say, that tree, what sort of tree it is, I don't know, looks very, very unusual.
Well, it's a very big tree. It's slowly but surely climbing its way up the side of the hotel. Anyway, get across that bridge, Cresceva Labouf. Let's have a look at the rear end, because it doesn't get much better than that. There we go.
And this must be the...
That's the evening, isn't it?
Evening
That'll be the evening dining
It's
area.
a different restaurant, Mr. Paul. This is the
That's where you
dining
come for your evening, yeah. Looks a bit more posh, shall we say. Right, let's get across the bridge, Cresceva Labouf. Oh, she's going dancing on a wall. There we are. Never does what you want her to do. Ha! Stick with us. Now she's going to fall off. Right, let's get over that bridge, Cresceva Labouf.
It's a shame that it's not Chuchota boot.
Yes. We forgot the Chuchota boots, but never mind.
Beautiful.
She's now spotted the sunbathing areas just over there, but we're missing the rear end view. Let's get across the bridge. There it is. You don't get much better than that. The rear end of watching Cresceva Labouf, as it's framed by the blue Mediterranean Sea off the Limassol coastline.
If I continue like that, having breakfast every morning, that luxury breakfast, choose what you want, have you what you want, I think I'm gonna become an queen elephant. You know, I'm gonna become a queen elephant lady, so I will not, any door is not gonna be wide enough for me to go through.
I feel a channel name change coming on. Let me think, what name do I like next? Dame Ann Bell, there we are. Dame Ann Bell and me. Could be the perfect name for the new YouTube channel. Right, let's go and have a little look over there. There's the blue Mediterranean Sea in the distance. And if you're wondering where we are, we're in the Atlantica Bay Hotel, and it's absolutely beaming down with the sunshine, that's for sure. And look at that for a view. It doesn't get much better than that.
That one is really, really amazing. Looks very beautiful, and I would stay here forever.
Well, I did say the bed was very, very comfortable indeed.
The bed and the pillows.
They were nice, yeah. In fact, the bed and the pillows are probably going to come home with us, along with the little cat, the Gumbaru I made at the main reception. Absolute superstar amongst superstars. Let's walk over there and have a quick look again at that beautiful, beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea, and see if we can take your breath away one more time. Here we go. Wait for it. Here it comes. So that's the view across, straight out into the blue Mediterranean Sea. We're at the Atlantica Bay luxury 4-5-star hotel in downtown Cato Limassol, and we thank you for watching, and we hope that you will come back very, very soon. Let's see what Cresceva's got to say.
Yeah, it was coming. This is a beautiful, beautiful hotel, and I guess that all the people around are very happy. The breakfast, as long as I could see and as long as I could taste, is amazing. I would like you to enjoy all the breakfasts that you have ever had. I would like to tell you many, many thanks for watching. We are loving you to bits, and don't forget to come and see. And now back. Many kisses.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you do like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. I'm going to leave you with a beautiful, spectacular view across, well, the swimming pool, the transcending waterfall, the beach bar, and the rear facade of this absolutely spectacular hotel. Thanks for watching.
thank you very much again and again. We're loving you to bits. And don't forget to come and see another hour.